Transform my Jeep Grand Wagoneer from this to this overlanding beast.
Today we are seam sealing cracks in the Jeep.
These are the cracks that we need to be fixing, and they're all over the Jeep. So first up, we're going to be cleaning out the entire inside of the Jeep so the seam sealer bonds better. Then we need to remove the old seam sealer that's left behind, so I'll get a hammer and a screwdriver, and I'm just prying all this out, getting it all removed from the cracks. Once it's fully removed, my air sander here, and I'm going to be taking down anything that's left over that is old seam sealer. Once this is fully sanded down, I need to treat the rusty edges, so I get rust converter spray paint and paint them up. Then I'm going to get my Bondo glass and get that mixed up because there are some cracks that are too big and they need a little bit more structural support than just a seam sealer. Then it's finally time to start doing some seam sealing. And all I'm doing here is just sealing up this crack with a bead of the seam sealer. Then I'm going to be grabbing some wax and grease remover and blending this all out with a paintbrush so it's a smooth seam. That is basically it, guys. I just worked my way across the entire vehicle doing this, seam sealing everything and then painting it with that wax and grease remover afterwards. And now finally the Jeep is fully sealed up. This should not get wet inside here again and ruin the floor. With this done, I'm ready to paint this floor, guys, so make sure you guys follow to see the next part of the build.